Hey friends, greetings! In this video, I will share when to begin pruning suckers, the correct technique, and also the appropriate time to start removing lower leaves on tomatoes. Because if this is not done, tomato sap grows very thickly, the harvest size and its quality decrease, and there is also a high probability that your tomatoes will get sick very quickly, because there will be very poor ventilation. And first, on which tomatoes should suckers be removed? This should only be done on indeterminate tomatoes. These are the tomatoes that have unlimited growth, grow very tall, and set the main harvest on the central stem. There are also determinate tomatoes which are cultivated in open ground. They have a compact growth habit, and it is on them that we obtain the main harvest. On suckers. So we do not remove suckers on determinate tomatoes. Now let's look from top to bottom at how suckers look. They are positioned in the leaf axil, these small ones, and it is recommended to remove them while they are still small like this, so they do not take up additional nutrition that the tomato plant could utilize for optimal fruit development and growth of the plant. Also, when they are of such small growth, by pruning them we won't harm the plant. But when you allow them to grow to such a large size, as you can see, the stem is already thick and it looks like an extra branch, it's better not to let them grow to that size. Because by cutting it we get a large cut which is an open wound on the plant, and it will take a long time to heal. Firstly, it will be stressful for the plant if it has too many suckers on it. The tomato plant will stop growing, and such a large wound can easily allow diseases to penetrate, and your plant may get sick. So do not let them grow too big. Check your plants more frequently. Now, on to the next guideline. You need to cut, leaving a small stump. This is necessary so that new suckers do not grow from this spot anymore. Because if you break off the suckers, new ones will quickly grow in their place. This will be unnecessary work, a waste of your time, and also stress for the plant. Also, during the first pruning of suckers, it is necessary to remove 2 or 3 lower leaves because they are already yellow and old. These are seedling leaves, namely the leaves that were on the seedling when we planted it in the greenhouse or open ground. It is no longer functioning for the plant, but only extracting nutrition from it. By pruning this foliage, we indicate to the plant to develop new growth from the top, thereby stimulating growth. Next, we examine the plant. If it is thriving, you have the option to eliminate 1 or 2 leaves on a weekly basis. This topic is extensive, so I'll make a separate video to explain everything in detail to you later. Subscribe, don't miss new videos. Wish you a successful day and bountiful harvests. See you in the next video. Have a great day.